HK11WG pipeline full position automatic welding trolley. Low cost, high efficiency MIG welding, lightweight and can be used in a wide range of applications. Pipe diameters above 600 毫米 need to be equipped with guide rails and guide wheels to prevent deviation. There is no limit on the thickness of the welded wall, and the thick-walled pipe can be welded in multiple layers and multiple passes. Equipped with wireless remote control, easy to adjust, can be fine-tuned when welding, so that the weld is more beautiful. Equipped with an electronic welding torch moving seat, it is more convenient and accurate to adjust the welding torch angle by rotating the knob of the welding torch.